blockchain. You've seen this word everywhere. On the news, on Twitter, maybe even at dinner with that one friend who won't stop talking about crypto. But what does it really mean? And more importantly, why should you care? Hi, this is Tasha from Swap Space Academy, and in this video, we'll break down blockchain in the simplest ways possible. Blockchain is like a digital notebook, shared across thousands of computers at once. Every time something's written in, it's permanent. No edits, no erasing. And the best part, no central bank. No government runs the show. Instead, the system works on code. Everyone can read it. No one can cheat it. So, what's the inside the blockchain? Instead of tables or files like in regular databases, blockchain stores information in blocks. Each block is like a page in our notebook. Inside, it is data, transactions, or records, plus a unique digital fingerprint called hash. That hash also connects it to the block before, forming a chain that can be broken without rewriting the entire history. Change one block and the whole chain becomes invalid. To prevent this, networks rely on consensus. That means computers agree on the correct version of the blockchain. For example, proof of work, where computers solve puzzles, like Bitcoin, or proof of stake, where people lock coins to validate, like Ethereum or Solana. These systems make fraud nearly impossible. Let's play chain breaker. I'll ask a question. If you choose wrong, the chain breaks. What connects each block to the one before it? Hash, signature. In proof of work, who confirms transactions? Miners, stakers. Proof of stake works differently. Validators lock up coins to secure the network. So, if someone wanted to change a Bitcoin transaction from 5 years ago, what would they need to do? A. Remind all following blocks. B. Just edit it directly. Nice. You got this. Drop a comment how many did you get right and enter our $20 giveaway. Now that you know how blockchain works, let's see the different forms it can take. According to Ethereum's founder Vitalik Buterin, types of blockchain can be described as public, anyone can join and participate, like Bitcoin; consortium, controlled and run by selected group. For example, Hyperledger Fabric, used by IBM and Walmart; or private, where only certain people have access, often inside companies. For example, Quorum, developed by JP Morgan. Now, let's answer the main question. Why does the blockchain matter? It cuts out middlemen, secures data, makes transaction faster. Estonia uses blockchain to secure digital IDs and medical records. El Salvador accepts Bitcoin for everyday payments, and number of users keep growing. Experts predict blockchain could add $1.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. Check out our video to learn more about blockchain use cases. Blockchain is more than a buzzword. It's transparent, secure, decentralized, a new way to store and share information. In the next lesson, you'll learn about the blockchain trilemmas. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like this video, follow us and leave a comment which type of blockchain do you think will shape the future: public, consortium, or private. See you soon!